Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how you can fix any app crash problem in your Motorola smartphone. So if you have any downloaded application, either it is system application or installed application, if there is any problem, so there are some ways it will help you. So first, if you have not done your system update or software update, just do it. Restart your smartphone. This is the thing, you can easily do it. Then there are ways. First, you have to open your settings, go to the application, select whichever application you are having the problem. If it is crashing, not working, or there is any glitch, bug, or any kind of issue you are facing, you have to simply just tap on the application. Then you have to go to the storage and cache. Here you have to click on clear cache. Simply do this and clear the storage. By doing this clear storage, it will remove the downloaded data inside the application. So in this application, if there is any data, it will be lost or deleted. So do it wisely. You can clear cache it by just clicking on here. You can turn off the background data, so it will help you. And just remove the unwanted applications, images, photos, videos that are not useful in future. Just release them and make your storage free, so it will not hang or any app crash will be there. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.